This is part 5. Like Mommy, I never knew.
Huh?
I never knew Georgia was wearing pink and black.
And I also have black and pink on. How we all have black and pink on. So now what's a big deal?
Oh my gosh.
I did have here, so I must change me.
Why's gonna change me when I saw Georgia
Shut
in
up.
black and pink like me? It was gonna change me. Like, I'm not even joking. I was actually gonna change me.
Georgie,
But
I need my phone quickly, please. I just
Yes,
want
it
to phone. Now,
triplets.
what must I get?
I'm gonna do my project. This for gift for my birthday to my mom and dad. This is from, I think, Mr. Price. This, I don't know. And then this a gift from my auntie. This a gift from my granny, auntie, and Oma. But I think they got it online, and it's Oma. And then this my cousin gave me. This my best friend, they made for me. This friendship bracelet that my friend made also. And then these earrings are from, well, I didn't get it anyway. Oh, and this is also from for gift from my friend, my Sunday school friend. And then these are from a gift also from my BFF in my transport. And yeah, that's it. Slay. Bye. Bye guys.